Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring VS Code and the appropriate extension are installed. You need an extension that supports background removal. Once installed, open the image file in the editor or drag it into a workspace. Next, open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P and run the extension setup command so it can index your workspace and download any model files. This prepares the tool for processing. It's faster if you close other heavy projects to free CPU and memory. You now run the removal command, select the Image tab and invoke Remove Background from the command palette. The extension analyzes foreground edges and creates a mask. This is where you decide the fidelity. Make sure to tweak feather, edge detection, and tolerance settings in the extension panel because that controls how smooth or precise the cutout becomes. Once satisfied, apply the mask and export as PNG with transparency. If you need higher quality, increase sampling or rerun with refined settings. You finish by exporting the processed image as PNG or SVG to keep the transparent background. Once done, inspect edges. For hair or translucent parts, switch to manual masking tools within the extension and paint refined strokes. This corrects small artifacts. If the result is wrong, make sure the extension has downloaded model assets and try reinstalling. Also check VS Code's memory and processor limits or run the tool on a smaller image to avoid timeouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.